I literally just got all these parts in this week. It's the Ryzen 7 2700, MSI RX 580, the ASrock or ASrock or whatever, however you pronounce that, B450M Steel Legend, the Cooler MasterBox. I got the 1TB 860 EVO from Samsung, and then I got the Western Digital Blue 500GB M.2, and then for RAM, I got 16 times 2, so 32 gigabytes of RAM. And then for the power supply, these got great reviews. 650 watts, fully modular power supply. I have a little screwdriver right here. It's a PC repair kit. I have the Cooler Master Q300L instructions, and then a Diet Coke. Those are just really good. Let's start on this. haven't tried to turn it on yet, which I'm really excited about to see if it works. I got my computer monitor, everything's ready to go to turn it on. The first thing I'm gonna do though, I'm going to download Windows on this USB drive. I'm gonna link it down in the description below. And this is what I'm gonna use to put the operating system on this computer. So I'm just gonna go over to my laptop, plug this guy in. And then I'm gonna go to Windows Media Creation Tool, click it right here, Microsoft Windows 10 installation. I'm gonna go to download now. Now the download is started. I'm gonna open it up. I'm gonna click yes. I'm going to accept, because if you don't, you're not gonna be able to download it. I'm gonna take a sip of the old Rockstar, which is terrible for you. Don't drink these. Oh my God, I've had too much caffeine. Whew. What do you want to do? Upgrade this PC now, create installation media, USB flash drive. That's what we're doing, so I'm going to click that. I'm going to click next. Language is English, Windows 10, 64-bit, and this is checked off. Use the recommended options for this PC. I'm going to click next, click the USB flash drive. It's going to save to the flash drive. So click next. Now this is going to take a while, so I'm probably going to speed it up in the magic of video editing. So it's just finishing up. It took about 30 minutes, so you might as well go grab a Coke and a smile or watch TV or something like that. So now that it's ready, I'm just gonna click finish. And now we're ready to install this bad boy and try this computer for the first time. So that's what I'm gonna do right now. So I'm gonna take this out. I'm just gonna put this right in the USB slot right here. I'm gonna turn my monitor on. Okay, this is the moment of truth. Okay, that didn't work. Maybe you have to turn the power on. All right, here we go. Holy shit. Okay. All right, that is an issue. I'm gonna turn it off. Okay, now it's time for troubleshooting. Okay, so I just got off the phone with ASrock, or whatever the hell their company's pronounced as. They said, Archie, shh, I'm trying to film. They said, that I have to plug this in. I had it in here. Any of these ones, I can plug it in. So they said turn it off first. So I'm going to turn it off. I'm gonna plug this in here, and then I can go ahead with the boot. Okay. So let's try this again. Oh shit. Okay. I'm gonna turn it on, and then he said hit F11, and then I can boot from the USB drive. So I'm gonna do that right now. Sandisk partition 1 UEFI. So bring it a little closer. Here we go. So I'm going to select the UEFI, and I really wish my dog would stop whining. This is extremely annoying. Enter setup. Actually, he told me to hit enter twice, so I'm just going to do that. Please do something. I see that. Oh shit. Oh shit. Is it working? Is it working? Oh shit. Okay. Oh, I got goosebumps. I got goosebumps. I cannot believe I have a working computer. Anyways, sorry about that. So it's English, keyboard US. Next. Install now. Oh my god. I'm just gonna activate it later. For now, I'm gonna do the free version. So I'm gonna click I don't have a product key. Windows 10 Home. Next. I accept the license term. Okay, so I want it on the 500 gigabyte M.2. Next. Is this the right keyboard? US, yes. No, skip. I do have an Ethernet. Let me go connect it real quick. Boom. There we go. There we go. There we go. Connected. Thank you. Now we have some important setup to do. Very important. This guy couldn't wait to help me over here. He's been whining because I have him blocked off so he can't jump all over my computer parts. Now he's happy he gets to hang out, sign in with Microsoft. So that's pretty much it for this video. This is the first boot of my first ever PC build. I'm gonna do a lot more work to this computer. The next step I'm gonna do is update all the drivers and stuff like that. So I hope this video was helpful. It's definitely nerve-wracking for me. Just very excited to have a working computer. So I forgot one thing. I just want to make sure that it boots from the SSD, the M.2. So I'm gonna shut this computer down and then remove the flash drive. So I'm gonna remove the flash drive now and then see if it boots to the SSD, just to make sure. Now I'm going to power it on. Awesome, so it works. I hope this is helpful. If you liked it, give it a like, comment, subscribe to my channel. I'll see you on the next video.